Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Digital signature certificates provide a secure and legally valid way to sign documents, ensuring authenticity and integrity. They are like your traditional handwritten signature, but in a robust digital format, offering enhanced security and undeniable proof. Using a DSC makes signing PDFs quick, easy, and legally compliant from anywhere in the world. Get ready to streamline your document workflow with confidence and complete peace of mind today. First, you will need a valid digital signature certificate, which is often stored on a USB token. Make sure it's current and active. Next, install the necessary DSC driver software onto your computer so your system can recognize the token. Finally, ensure you have a reliable PDF viewer application, like Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, already installed and ready to go. To begin, open the specific PDF document you wish to sign using your preferred PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once the document is open, navigate to the Sign tool or option. This is typically found within the main toolbar or under a Tools menu. This convenient feature will guide you through the process of securely placing your digital signature directly onto the document. Now, use your mouse to draw a clear signature box exactly where you want your digital signature to appear on the PDF page. A prompt window will then appear, asking you to select your specific digital signature certificate from a list. Choose yours, then simply enter your unique DSC token password to authenticate the signature application, granting it permission to proceed. Once signed, always save the digitally signed PDF as a new file. This important step helps preserve your original document and track changes. You can then easily verify the signature's validity by simply clicking on the signature field within the PDF. Your document is now securely signed, legally binding, and ready for confident submission or sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.